1970 GMC C1500 custom pickup, regular cab long box, 350 V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission to be exact. Take a look at the front bright work, grille, headlight surrounds, chrome bumper. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call in. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. As you can take a look at the paint on the hood, paint shows well. Newer paint, so you can see it has a nice shine to it. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. It does have a later model GM interior in it. Split bench seat. Excuse me, solid bench seat. And we'll get around to the driver's side so we can check that out a little closer. Looking good with the chrome wheels. Spray in bed liner. Now you can notice the stance of this truck. It's a little lower than it would have been produced back in 1970. It does have new leaf springs in the rear, lowered 3.5 inches in the rear and lowered 2 inches in the front. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the chrome bumper and you can see dual exhaust out the back. Very nice sounding truck. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. But first, remember where to check out all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside. Take a look at that. Interior engine bay. This truck also has new brakes on it. New steering column, some service work recently done. I had the hood open earlier too, picturing it. Looks like it's a newer brake booster. Master cylinder. And you can see driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches in the paint. You might find a small imperfection here or there, but overall shows very well. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior and the cloth bench seat I was talking about earlier. So door panels. I have pictures of the carpeting underneath the floor mats and with the still pictures. Nice shape. I also have pictures with the headrests on and headrests off. Those can be removed or put on. Thought they look fine with it on. So you can see it both ways in the pictures. And again, solid bench seat belts intact. Have your shoulder belts for the front driver and passenger, and of course your center belts. There's your tilt column. Does have a retro sound style radio in it that is working. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Has always started easily anytime I've fired it up. You can see this looks like battery gauge working. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temperature to be up. And over here, oil pressure. That is up. And fuel gauge also. Radio. Top of the dash. Everything looking good in the interior. Get it down in the low idle. Good sounding truck. Rest of the cab, visor's intact. Door closes nicely. And listen to that. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood and check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Just give me a chance to get this hood open. Take a look. Underside of the hood. Looking good. ignition. I mentioned it looked like newer master cylinder brake booster. Again, that power steering power brake set. Both dressed up with the chrome valve covers and air cleaner cover. Heater hose is intact. There's a battery disconnect if you have it in storage. Want to disconnect the battery in between drives or use. Sounds good, no exhaust leaks. Sounds good, looks good under here. Be a fun one. Get in and drive it. Local roll-ins, local cruise-ins, any of your local shows. It's a 1970 GMC C1500 custom. Lowered, nice stance. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726. Call and consult with a sales associate. A warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 GMC 1500 pickup truck. Bright red with a red and black interior. Gray cloth seat. A little bit more of a modern seat, very comfortable. This is an automatic on the column. Acceleration is good. Firm shifts from that automatic transmission. We have added front dash speakers down below on each corner. The retro sound style radio working well. Our battery is charging, over halfway on the gauge. Temperature is about a third of the way up the gauge. And oil pressure at 3/4 of the gauge, which is very good. Fuel is showing just under half. Smooth running, nice ride. If I let go of the truck steering wheel, it stays straight. No excessive wind noise or anything like that. Brakes are functioning well and they feel smooth at the pedal. This truck started up right away, idled right away, very nice runner. Cornering is good. Driver's not so much. Very nice truck, handles good. Feels good. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.